Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Kenneth in Florida on the Stryker 955. Kenneth, this is one of the older units, 2015 model. Had the FQP 13N10s. We replaced those with the erf2030 pluses. And also we went ahead and did the MaxMod voltage regulator upgrade for stability control. You said you might run an amp with this, so we rode your carrier all the way down here, 5-watt slug. Just a hair under a watt. Now you won't want to run the radio like that all the time. Just you got full adjustability when you decide to run an amp. And 100-watt slug. About 12 watts all the way up. That's where I recommend you running it when you're running just the radio. Show you average power swing. Hello. Almost 50 bird. Peak power. 84 peak. Over here to sideband. Hello. 77 on the sideband. Alright, my friends, ready to go. Let me show you talk back real quick. You said it was muffled up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Turn it up some more if I can here. 1, 2, 1, 2, crystal clear. Check, check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. Alright, Kenneth. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.